All right, seventh grade English. Here is your bell work for week 14, identifying adverbs. All right, eighth grade, we are going to be identifying the subjects, the verbs, the prepositions or infinitives, as well as identifying what an adverb is. Now, an adverb tells you how you did something. A lot of times adverbs end in ly. So we're just going to be practicing. It kind of tells you how you did something. So when you look at sentence number 1, make that a little bigger. So when I look at sentence number 1, it says the boy and the girl skipped happily down the road. Well, who or what is that sentence about? Well, we have a compound subject because we have boy and girl. Those are both our subjects. And then our action is that they skipped, and down the road is a preposition. So I'm going to ask, how did they skip? They skipped happily. So we're going to circle it, and we're going to label it ADV. That's the abbreviation for adverb. On number 2, the stars shine brightly against the night sky. Who or what is that sentence about? Well, hopefully you said stars. And what did the stars do? The stars shined. And then if I say against the night sky, that's a preposition. So how did they shine? They shined brightly. That is my adverb. Number 3, Jason and Jake play daily in the field. Who or what is that sentence about? Well, we have a compound subject again. Jason, Jake. What did Jason and Jake do? They play. In the field is a preposition. How did they play? Or when did they play? They played daily. That is my adverb. I gotta make this a little smaller because I got a longer sentence here than I was thinking. All right. Amir and Scott skillfully rode their skateboards down the ramp. Who or what is that about? Compound subject again. Amir, Scott. What did they do? They rode. And then down the ramp is a preposition. How did they ride? They rode skillfully. That is my adverb. Number 5, the eagle soars gracefully over the river. Who or what? Eagle. What did the eagle do? Soars. Then he soared over the river. That's a preposition. How did they soar? They soar gracefully. Or how did it soar? And that's the adverb. So you're circling your adverbs and you're labeling them with ADV, identifying your subjects, your verbs, and in this case, it was all prepositions. I'm not sure if there's any infinitives, but there may be. So you're identifying subjects, verbs, prepositions, infinitives, and then identifying the adverb. You need to finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.